Viola players, we're working way further in our sound innovations book. We're on number 188. It's called a sea shanty, and we're basically playing this song in like a variation. So, meaning that there's a theme or a melody, and then they change it and then change it again. They change it with rhythm, bowing, and speed. So the first way is andante, which means like walking speed. Then moderato, which means medium, moderate speed, and then allegro, which means fast. All right, there are repeats, and since we're playing it with the recording, we will take the repeats, and we're just focusing on part A for now. We'll add in part B later on. All right, so here we go with the recording, number 188.
Sea shanty.
Have fun playing the theme and variations sea shanty, and I'll see you later. Bye, fifth grade violas.